So your mommy can know that you're eating okay at the club lounge. Pancakes. Mushrooms.
Got some tomato. Seafood congee it's called. Cauliflower.
Oh.
Pork sausages. Baked beans. Little vegan vegetable paste.
Oh.
Boiled eggs.
Oh.
Already eaten. Fried noodles.
Fried noodles?
And then chicken wings, hash browns, and streaky bacon.
I ordered off the a la carte menu. Some cheeses, some juices, some cereals,
Peanut butter.
Nutella, toast,
It's good.
lots of food. Eggs Benedict, coffee and tea and cereal. You're on level 3. This is the pool, Tim says. Here's the pool bar.
See, free drinks. All you got just grab them.
Somehow I don't think that's how it works. Where's the pool?
Right in front of you.
I have my glasses on. I can't see anything at all. Oh, that's interesting. It's a different kind of pool. Huh. Pool at the Crown Plaza. Sit over here. Have a nice drink. Listen to the airplanes take off. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah.
Have a drink, honey. Nice. I love you. You're crazy.
Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Tim.
We're in the hotel and we're about to go to the airport. We're in the airport, but we're gonna go to the plane.
We're going to Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm excited about that. So let's talk about our 2 nights that we spent in Singapore and the cost of Singapore. So we had free night certificates, one on Tim's IHG card and one on my IHG card. So we stayed at the Crown Plaza at the airport for the 2 nights, and we had lounge access for both nights, obviously. So we had our dinner here each night, and we had our breakfast here each day. I don't think we actually ate lunch because we ate breakfast so late, and dinner was at 5:30. So we, other than that, I had ice cream. So that was it. I had ice cream out, and that was $5.79 in US dollars. It was 7 of their money. It was a lot of money. But the hotel stays were free.
Yep.
So we only spent money basically on activities. How much did we spend?
We spent total on activities was 400 and something. Where's it?
400 something.
$418. No, activities only was $211.30.
100 of that was for the big red bus that we took yesterday all around Singapore. We took both lines. It was really interesting, and we were really lucky because it only rained briefly while we were on board the bus. So it was really nice, and it tells you a lot of the history, how 25% of Singapore is reclaimed land that they basically filled in the marshlands with sand and rock and built on that. So it's quite interesting how much they've enlarged the city based on retaking it from the ocean, I guess. It's really interesting to me. It was to me anyways. But they give you a lot of different types of facts and stuff like that, and different history of the British occupation and things of that nature. It was really good. I enjoyed it. It was $100. And the other $111, I went gambling. I went to the casino. I went to Sands. I actually had a budget of $150. of US dollars, 200 of their money, but I walked away with $55. So that's exciting. So $114 is what we spent at the casino. So that was a total of $214. And what else did we do?
Flights and then transportation.
The flights were the taxes and fees only. How much did we spend on taxes and fees?
$125.
$125 to get here from Siem Reap. It's about a 2-hour flight. And then we had what else?
$45 in transportation.
$45. We took the train to and from Singapore, from the airport to Singapore 3 times. So once initially to get down there for the night show for the Gardens of the Bay, and then the next day we went down for the Big Red Bus. Then we came back for the lounge for dinner, and we went back there to the casino to gamble some last night. So 3 different times. It was about $750 round trip per person. Not bad at all.
Nope.
Not bad at all. So anything else?
No, not really. So the total was $418.21.
$418. That's not bad, is it?
No.
$200 a day? Yeah, I mean, it was because of the activities we did, obviously. And a lot of it was actually the taxes and fees on the airfare, $125. So I think that was a good stay in one of the most expensive countries in the world. So beautiful city. Definitely recommend it.
Oh, yeah, it's really clean, really nice, really pretty.
Yeah, I think 2 nights was a good amount of nights.
Sure.
I think we'll come back here again because there's a cruise port here. It's a good hop to different cities in Asia, and it's the main hub to get into Asia. So, but 2 nights was definitely enough for us, I think. So, but that was our expenses, $400.
Yay.
So we'll see you in Vietnam.
Bye-bye.
Number 15, Old Custom House. Number 16. Stop 3 Gardens by the Bay. Stop by City Hall in the Red Line Store.
That's all you do. Stay here for. They're not here for. Looking for the tanks. That's all down here. I was gonna go. That's crazy. That's crazy.
levitating.
Yes, they are.